Hello, everyone. This is Thomas Gay, co-founder of S&G AI Lab. It is March 2nd, and today I just want to present to you another amazing business opportunity. I was able to develop what I call PersonalHub. So what you guys see here is what I call PersonalHub, an AI voice avatar platform business opportunity for white label opportunity. And this is all developed by what I call the Wingman intelligent layer. So I'm going to go over this real fast because this is all part of the series for our YouTube channel. And so what you'll see right here is what I call the infrastructure, not a demo, right? Because we're talking real-time voice infrastructure, multi-persona, personality, avatar rendering, integration, and enterprise quarter control. So that kind of help you to really understand the infrastructure and how this platform is delivering real value for whoever is looking to have this business opportunity. PersonalHub have a lot of different architectural stack, as you can see. I'm not going to go over this because we're going to be demoing the product so you all can see what the product is capable of doing. But I want you to imagine having a conversation almost with a hyper-realistic human, right? And having real voice where you can have different coaches, right? And so we're going to go over that, and I was going to share with you all how extraordinary and groundbreaking this technology is, right? And there is opportunity also to do monetization with this technology, right? So think about having the ability to have your own coaching business with multiple characters, and these looks almost hyper realistic human, right? And so this is really interesting technology. You can use it for education, different platform, different opportunity, different industry. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the actual platform to see what the interface looks like. Live agents and the agent having a conversation with you. These agent looks almost realistic, but these are all AI agents behind the scene, folks. This is what makes this technology so breathtaking. So let's go ahead and jump into what I call PersonalHub. So what you see here, what I call meet the new expert. So imagine each expert is an AI agent behind the scene, right? This is what's so interesting with this technology. These are AI agents behind the scene. Everyone you see here, they are not real, right? These are all agents, right? And they're going to be able to explain, I'm going to be explaining to you all what I mean by agents, right? In terms of how this technology is really groundbreaking in the opportunity. So let's go ahead and have a conversation with Elena. She's a language expert, and she's going to be like your coach for the day. So we're going to go ahead and hit live, and then I'm going to hit right here where I'm going to have my microphone working, and she's going to show up. So give her a few minutes. There she is. How are you, Elena? My name is Thomas, and what is your name?
Hello, Thomas. I'm Elena. It's great to meet you. What language do you want to learn today, and what is your proficiency level?
So, Elena, I love to learn Spanish, and I love to learn different languages. And so, can you tell me what your capability is and how you can assist me in learning different languages? Let's just start off with Spanish. Going to South America, having coffee, talking to individuals. Go ahead and tell me what's your capability and what you can do.
That's wonderful, Thomas. I can help you with Spanish vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and cultural insight. For example, when ordering coffee in South America, you might say, "Quiero un café, por favor." This means, "I want a coffee, please." I can also help you practice conversations and understand local customs.
So let me try that again. So what? I said, "Quiero café," right? Quiero café. Did I say it right, Elena? Help me if I'm saying it right.
You're very close, Thomas. It's quiero un café, not quiero café. Quiero means I want, and un café means a coffee. Try saying quiero un café, por favor.
Quiero un café. Is that, am I saying that right, Elena? Quiero un café?
Yes, exactly. You're saying it perfectly. Un café means a coffee. You can also say...
That's amazing. So now, guys, what you see is that she's sitting there. It's an AI agent. This is what's so amazing. This is an AI agent. She is not real. she's just having a conversation with me. And so this technology is so powerful, and there are different industry and different experts we can talk to, right? I have experts here for finance, right? Finance and other industry. This is Jackson. He's also a fitness coach. You're to coach you. So this is an extraordinary business opportunity. If you're really, really interested, want to learn more about being a white label partner, what I call a wingman intelligent layer, this is what I call PersonalHub. And so this is the entire AI business in the box, right? And so if you're an entrepreneur looking to start your own AI business and don't have AI coding skills, right? And so this is an opportunity to be able to be an owner of an AI technology avatar business where you'll be able to coach different expertise. Let's go ahead and talk to Dr. Maya and see what she's capable of. And now you're going to see the same agent show up in this room, and we're going to have a conversation. She's an expert clinical reason, health data analysis, and wellness optimization. So let's go ahead and have a chat with Dr. Maya. She's going to show up. Give you a second. Hi, Dr. Maya. How are you? My name is Thomas, and your name is?
Hi, Thomas. I'm Dr. Maya Chen, your healthcare assistant. How can I support you today?
Dr. Maya, I'm really impressed by your appearance and what you can do. And so can you explain for viewers that's watching this YouTube channel, what is your capability and how you can help individuals?
Thank you, Thomas. I'm here to provide health guidance on wellness, nutrition, and mental health strategies. I can help answer questions and offer evidence-based tips for preventive care. However, I'm not a licensed...
So for example, let's just say I'm looking to lose weight and I really don't know where to start, right? So how will you design a program for me, or how will you be able to coach me?
I can offer general tips to help get you started on a weight loss journey. Here are some steps. 1. I set realistic goals. Aim for gradual weight loss, like 1-2 pounds per week.
So guys, I'm going to pause and I'm going to just have a quick conversation with you all. So this is what I call PersonalHub. A lot of people are looking to learn about AI, but again, as a co-founder of S&G AI Lab, we have so many different technology that I'm releasing this year. Over 50 AI software. We're even launching Wingman. And so this PersonalHub is part of a series of technology I was able to develop, and we're going to be releasing. And so if you're interested in learning how to become a white label partner of this technology, I'll have a link below that you can reach out to learn more about how we can go into business together. We do some partnership. And so like I said, this is PersonalHub. We have Marcus, we have Sarah Jenkins, we have Ariel Vance, we have Elena, we have Kyle Raver, and we have Jackson. And there's no limit to how many different persona or coaches you can have. And so this technology is something that is a few years ago would never have been possible. And so, but being able to learn coding and becoming an AI engineer, this is just part of our technology stack as a startup company. My brother and I, we own what I call S&G AI Lab. And so what you see is just part of our portfolio, and beneath all this, we call what I call the Wingman intelligent layer. And Wingman is a technology we're going to be releasing for Miami market. We already have Wingman being pilot in Costa Rica, which is going to be part of a community, a container home community. So if you're watching this video and you want to learn more about how we can form strategic partnership, become a reseller of our technology, feel free, click the link below and send me an email. I'll be more than happy to discuss terms and agreement. But once again, guys, this is what I call PersonalHub, co-founder S&G AI Lab. Let's go ahead and just have one more conversation so you all can see how amazing this technology is. Let's go ahead and have a talk with maybe, you know what? Let's go to Sarah. She's an executive leadership and she's going to give us some coaching on executive leadership. So imagine that, executive leadership, and she's going to give us a coaching. Watch the AI agent go to work, guys.
Hi there, I'm Sarah Jenkins, your career coach. Let's talk about your next big move.
All right, Sarah, my name is Thomas, and I want to learn AI, and I'm new into the AI field. I'm looking to accelerate my career, right? And so now I just need a real good coach that can help me to become an expert in AI. What can you do for me, Sarah?
Hi, Thomas. Exciting to hear you're diving into AI. First, tell me about your current skills and background. What experience do you have in tech or related fields?
Well, I went to programming school one summer and been learning this thing called AI and coding and learning all the different aspects. But I really need direction in the right path to make sure I can make enough money, work remotely, or even start my own company. Is there any advice you can give me, Sarah?
Absolutely, Thomas. Let's break it down. First, clarify your goals. Do you prefer working for a company or starting your own?
That's a good question. I think what's interesting in being an entrepreneur is so much fun and freedom. I prefer that. Working for someone, it's something that I've thought about once in a while, but just the freedom alone and having the ability to just learn and grow, and there's no limit to income, I prefer to be an entrepreneur. What do you think?
Great choice, Thomas. Entrepreneurship offers flexibility and growth. Now let's focus on building your foundation. What specific AI skills or areas interest you? For instance, are you drawn to machine learning, data analysis, or product development?
And guys, this is what's so amazing. So now we're talking machine learning. She's asking me questions. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close down this series. I think you all seen enough of PersonalHub, and I was able to demo to you all the expertise. And there's no limit to how many characters a realistic person we can create for this platform. So if you're really, really intrigued and was able to watch this whole thing to the end, feel free. I'm Thomas Gay, co-founder of S&G AI Lab, former US Navy veteran, AI engineer, co-founder of S&G AI Lab. Thanks for watching this YouTube series. Once again, we're just getting started with S&G AI Lab.